lovelies, I'm Han, I'm part of Iconic London's Glam squad and we're here to show you all things Iconic London. Get ready for newness, hauls, vlogs, makeup get ready with me, my favourites, MUA tips and tricks and so much more. So remember to subscribe babes because you don't want to miss out. Hi lovelies and welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of highlighting. And we all know that Iconic London is the OG of the highlight and the glow, so let's get into it. So the question is, why should we highlight? And I think it's literally the same as contouring. It adds definition to your face. Highlighting helps to enhance complexion and it gives the skin a nice bright dewy look as well as accentuate your favourite facial features but in a subtle natural way. There's a range of different highlighters you can use to do this. You can use a powder highlight like the Brighten Up Baked Highlighting Powder. Once you have set the rest of your makeup, add a shimmer and overall glow to your finished look. You could use a liquid highlighter such as the Iconic London Illuminator, or you could use the new Rollaway Glow for a more softer effect. Both of these are used before powders to create that lit within natural glow. So I personally prefer liquid highlighters because they're so much easier to control and they really do melt into the skin and give that really nice natural seamless like glow within kind of look, which I love. So let's talk about where to apply your highlighter. These are the places that I suggest to put highlighter. I'm going to show you how I use Iconic London's new Rollaway Glow liquid highlighter. This is in the shade Champagne. This is the lightest one of them all. With a roller ball, it makes sure that you've got no mess, no brushes needed, just roll it on and then I would literally just tap it in with my finger like so and it just melts into the skin. Look at that. That looks so pretty on the skin. It's such a subtle glow as well. I'm just gonna put that in the corner of my eye as well to highlight there. The tip of the nose just to give that lifted effect and the Cupid's bow. So that is the difference. You can see the glow within. It's such a nice natural radiant glow. It's not too intense. It looks like a glow within. It looks so pretty on the skin. So I've just applied mine with my finger and just tapped it in, but you can also use these with brushes as well. So I'll just show you how you can use that. So I just apply it to the cheekbone, in the corner of the eye, and I'll show you how I just literally just tap it in with a brush and it'll just blend a little bit different with a brush so you'll get more pigment of the colour. And I'll just start tapping that in. As you can see, it just blends into the skin and melts in without any effort whatsoever. So it just melts into the skin like that. You can easily control how much product you put on and how you want it to look. So you can use your fingers if you want it to be more soft and really quick and on the go, or you can use a brush and just tap it in. Depends what your preference is, but that is the difference. And I love how both of them look. And you can see the dimension in my face after adding that highlight. My cheekbones look a lot more prominent and like everything looks a lot more lifted. So it's like contouring but highlighting to like lift the areas of your face. And there's no glitter whatsoever. It's more like a sheen, like a glow. There's no glitter whatsoever. So there you have it. That's the difference in between me with no highlighter and highlight on. I love highlighter. I love anything glowy. Any sort of glow products is for me. Hope you've enjoyed watching this and learnt more about highlighting. Iconic London's glow products are seriously the best glow products out there without looking chunky and glittery. They just look like a glow within. I highly recommend them. If you've got any questions at all about the products or anything, leave them in the comments below. Iconic London are happy to get back to you. And let me know in the comments what other products you want tips and tricks on. Thanks for watching babes. All the products I've mentioned and used today will be in the description box below, so just check that. It just makes it super easy for you guys to find. To keep up to date with all Iconic London stuff, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe before you go.